what you got in there, Marcus?
I got a new guitar, but it seems like I can't open it.
What guitar is it?
It's a Fender Strat.
Want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Whoa!
Hallelujah! 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 I need... Oh wait, no I don't. And then you just rip it. Oof. Oof.
You need some help?
No thanks.
Okay. Don't hurt your fingers.
Oof. And then you lift this. And then guess what?
What is it?
There's another box.
Really?
Just joking. There's a lot of cardboard. Some screws and the tinny.
Okay.
And then
So what you got
there's
in
the
there?
thing. Hallelujah. 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 And then we take this rubber band and take it off.
What
And
you
then
got there?
open. Hallelujah.
Oh! It might be loud.
Hallelujah.
Is that gonna be your first electric guitar?
Oh.
Yeah? Have a look.
Oh. Ah.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you, Daddy. Mwah. Good evening, everyone. I'm just gonna open one of my early birthday presents on Christmas Eve, and I guess I already guessed what it was. So excited! Woo! Woo! Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh no!
Do you really need to open it in that way? Probably you're just gonna split it. Start in the middle.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 Oh! Wow! Oh, oh. Oh! Look, it's paper! Oh, you're ready for the big reveal? Paper!
It's just like box after boxes and boxes.
Guess what? Got it! Paper!
Yeah, I knew it. It's a box. Whoa! Another box inside.
Oh! Yes, Gibson!
Wow!
Wow!
That's a big box of Gibson.
That. Oh, it's a Gibson Les Paul tribute Satan Honeyburst. Oh, so excited. Oh.
Does it say? What does the logo say?
Oh, Gibson.
Gibson.
Oh, it's very nice.
Wow.
Oh, everyone's ready for the reveal? You all ready? 5, 4,
Try
3,
not to break the box here.
2. Oh, it's very hard. Oh, I got it. Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's another box.
Ooh, plastic. Oh, bubble wrap. Woo, big bubble wrap, extra large. Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's another
it
box.
comes with a case.
What?
A case. Wow, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Smells like leather.
Wow, look at this. It comes with a case. Oh, you ready for the big... The zips even have plastic over them.
What up?
Look. Oh, those are so nice. Okay, you ready for the biggest reveal? 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh, 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Whoa.
Hallelujah!
That's
Oh,
really a gold one.
that looks sick. Oh. Oh, it is a Gibson Les Paul. This is one of Slash's guitars, and I've always wanted to sound like Slash. Oh, this is sick. Oi. Way. Oh, that's sick. Hallelujah. 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 Wow.
How does it feel?
This.
Whoa.
Look at the pickups. Oh. The bridge, the neck. And the... Oh, the headstock. Wow. Guess what? This looks like the case for my violin.
Whoa.
Wow. Oh, so nice and soft. Wow. This is sick. Oh.
What are you gonna say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa. Wow. Thank you, Daddy, for getting this. Mwah! Love you. Mwah! Wow. Oh, it's so nice. Feels so nice. Oh, this is sick.
Here we go. You got one happy boy. You got a birthday present. You got a Christmas present in one.